Good day to you, Miss. Please introduce yourself.
Sir, Madam, I'm Maria Cristina Velasco Cona, 26 years old, married, blessed with 2 children. I am high school graduate. I work here in the Philippines as domestic helper for 2 years. I serve 1 couple with 2 children.
Okay, so what is your main duties from your previous employer?
I am the one who cook, wash their clothes, and clean their house, ironing their clothes and wash dishes, and taking care of their kids.
Okay, so since you have a kid, so can you tell us on how to take care of children?
Just be playful with them, give them nutritious food, and keep them always safe.
Okay, so can you tell us the best characteristics of a good house domestic worker?
Just be loyal to your employer. Just be loyal to your employer, and just be honest to them, and always do your best to do your responsibilities and duties.
Okay, so can you manage to take your newborn baby?
Yes, Madam.
Okay.
Yes, Sir, Madam.
Okay. So can you sing a nursery rhymes for the children?
Yes, Sir, Madam.
Can you sing us now?
With action, ma'am.
Another? Okay.
Up and down, and shake, shake, shake. Shake it to the left, shake it to the right. Turn around and shake, shake, shake.
Okay, so thank you very much. That is so nice. So do you have any last message to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, if you choose me as your employee, I promise that I will be honest, and I will be honest to your family. I will do my best to serve you and do all my responsibilities. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you very much, Miss Cona, and hope to see you soon in Singapore. Before we end, kindly share your best smile. Thank you for coming.